Welcome to the Nordic Campers YouTube channel. Today we're gonna go fishing and we're gonna go explore the islands in Åland. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video.
Tää on hienoa, siis mä kestän.
So our first stop here in Åland, and of course we're gonna charge our car. What a cool little shop. You can just get your eggs from here and pay with mobile pay. This is a cool looking ship. So I'm von Hamburg. There's a QR code. Welcome on board. Feel the golden era glamour of yachting on a real historical sailing ship from 1914. Yeah, that's awesome. There's like a very small church here. Let's check it out. This is gonna be our cabin for the next 4 to 5 days. Let's check it out. Yeah, first impression is pretty good. So this is like a little on-the-go bed that I got for my son. Then we add this to the bottom. And let's put the mattress as well. And that's how we have a ready bed in about 1 minute. A little cleaning room. Here's the bathroom. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go explore the world. Some Coke. And of course some breakfast supplies. Bacon and eggs. So our cottage is right there. I found this little dock. I'm thinking about fishing here. There's a little hot tub here. And that cabin says that book a sauna. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go check on Amma. Let's see what she's doing now. Masa is sleeping and Amma decided to go to sleep as well. But the sun is still shining, so I decided to come check out this spot now. I think I was previously actually on a lake that's kind of connected to the ocean, but only like barely. So I went now a bit further and this is actually the ocean. What? Oh yeah, look at that. I think that's a medusa. Or what do you call that? So this is what I tried out first, but there's so much vegetation here as well, so we're gonna have to try something different. I might have a fish, I might have a fish. That's a big perch. Yes. Oh, he swallowed it deep. I think this is the biggest perch I've ever catched. Yeah, I think I'll keep this one. Or actually, I think I changed my mind. I'm gonna let this one go now. I changed my mind. Go on, boy. Oh, shit. Yes, yes, there we go. I'm not quite sure why I let him go. On second thought, I think it was still a bit small, even though that was the biggest perch I've ever caught. But let's see, maybe if I catch something bigger, I'll keep it. Oh, let's say one last goodbyes to the jellyfish before we leave. There's still one. Goodbye, jellyfish. Oh, here's two more.